A clean air filter is essential for smooth chainsaw operation. As a matter of fact, you have to change it once every season.
Without fail. Not only will it reduce the wear and tear on your engine, it may also extend the life of it. I'm Rob North, and I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Craftsman chainsaw. Now, before we get to messing with this air filter, it's a good idea for you to brush up on your fuel and oil maintenance. You can do that by tapping on the button on the screen right now. The first thing you need to do is use the scrinch that came with your saw to take off the casing. Now, if it doesn't come with a scrinch, then you can use a screwdriver, and some are even toolless. With that removed, take off the air filter cover and then simply remove the filter. Pop in a new filter, reverse the steps, and you're good to go. Remember, if you don't change out that filter, your engine may not run right. I'm Rob North, and that is how you change the air filter on your Craftsman chainsaw. Click these buttons to learn more about the tools you need to get the job done.